Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing in to Zee5 on the app or website using your registered email or phone. Once logged in, tap your profile icon and open account or manage subscription immediately. This is where billing controls live. Make sure your payment method is visible so you can confirm which plan is active, because you want to stop the renewal for the correct subscription. If prompted, verify your identity with OTP or password to proceed to the subscription management screen. Once in subscription management, locate the active plan and look specifically for auto-renew or renewal settings, because that's the control you need. You may see options labeled Change, Cancel, or Turn off auto-renew. Choose the one that stops recurring billing and confirm the exact plan to avoid canceling the wrong subscription. Follow all on-screen prompts. Sometimes Zee5 asks why you're leaving or requires an extra confirmation. Make sure you complete every step until the app shows cancellation. After you turn off auto-renew, confirm you receive a cancellation message and that your account shows the subscription end date. This proves the action succeeded. If you still see auto-renew enabled, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, and repeat the steps. Sometimes UI changes prevent updates from showing immediately. If the problem persists, contact Zee5 support with your transaction ID and screenshots. Ask for manual cancellation and refund if a charge occurred after you canceled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.